In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your video into anime style in CapCut PC. If you want to transform yourself, your pets, or even scenic footage into a high-quality animated cartoon look automatically, this is one of the easiest ways to do it right inside CapCut on your computer. The nice thing about this method is that you do not need advanced editing skills. As long as your footage is already placed in the timeline, CapCut can do most of the visual work for you. To begin, make sure your raw video clip is already sitting on an open track in the timeline. Once that is ready, move your cursor up to the main menu area near the top left of the CapCut window and click on Effects. As soon as you do that, CapCut opens its built-in effects library in the sidebar, where you can browse a wide range of smart visual enhancements. This is where all the anime and cartoon-style filters are stored, so this is the first place you need to access. Next, go to the category list on the left side of the effects panel. Scroll through the options until you find the comic section, then click it once. This category usually contains stylized looks that can give your footage that illustrated, animated appearance. If you want a faster way to find the right effect, you can also click into the search bar at the top of the panel, type anime, and press Enter. CapCut will then load a grid of related effects, and you will typically see a variety of options, from sketch-like cartoon treatments to more polished anime-inspired styles. Take a moment here to preview the options and pick the one that best matches the mood of your video. Once you have chosen the anime style you like, click and hold that effect, then drag it down to the timeline and place it on the track 2 directly above your original video clip. This is important because the effect needs to sit over the footage to apply the look correctly. After dropping it in place, check the length of the purple effects bar. If it does not cover your whole clip, hover over the right edge of the effect block and drag it outward until it matches the full duration of the video underneath. That way the anime style stays active from beginning to end. If you want to fine-tune the result, look over to the top right settings panel under the Effects tab. Here you can adjust the effect strength to control how intense the anime look appears. You can make the outlines sharper, soften the treatment, or increase the color intensity depending on the style you want. And that's it. Your video is now turned into an anime-style clip in CapCut PC.